Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Alina Craft Studio. Today I'm adding another fun project to my DIY playlist, these adorable baby shower pins. I've already shared a few tutorials on making baby shower pins and they have been super popular. So I decided to create another fun and easy design that you can make at home. If you love making custom decoration for special events, this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. For this project I will need scissors, hot glue gun, also lighter, ruler, needles, rubber bands, roll of tulle, mine from Hobby Lobby store, and also I took different sizes and textures of ribbons. For your convenience, I will leave all dimensions in the description under this video. As a central element, I have a pin button that I made on my pin button machine. For the backs, I used safety pins brooch. All information about materials you can find in the description. Now let's start our assembly. First, we start our assembly with the tool. I took a 24-inch piece and cut it in half. Then I folded each piece into accordion shape and secured it with a band. If you don't have an elastic band, you can simply tie it with a thread. And here we go. Next step, we create a figure 8 or infinity shape using a ribbon and secure it with a hot glue gun. Now let me show you how I made my pin buttons. Full step-by-step tutorial you can find on my YouTube channel. Also you can order pins on my Etsy shop. Less than 1 minute and the pin is ready. Once that's done, we attach the central pin into the middle. Now I layer the remaining ribbons pieces, glue them together at the center. Be sure to use just a small amount of glue so the layers don't become too thick. At this stage, we start assembling all the layers, stacking them one by one. And finally here attaching two last parts. For our last step, we have to attach the pin. We first glue it to a small piece of ribbon. Then prepare the ribbon pieces by sealing the edges with a lighter to prevent fraying. And then attach the entire piece to the back of the badge. If desired, you can also trim the ribbon's ends at the edges for a more polished and decorative look. And here we are, our baby shower pin is ready. You can customize it with different colors and for different themes. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you for watching and happy crafting, my friends!